2013 Elantra cabin and air filter replacement. So for the air filter, you're going to go and pop your hood. The air filter box is right here. It's got these two clips. All you got to do is use your thumb to pop these off. Right here and right here. They shouldn't be too hard. Now on the other side there are these little tabs that are in these little slots. You don't need to do anything, but when you lift this up, you need to lift it up a little bit and then pull it straight towards you from the side. So pull it up and out so those tabs slide out. Then you can grab your air filter. Here it is. Notice one little corner of it has a slanted edge. It's got my new one. This is a micro guard. My part number is right there in the corner, that MGA number. Just a basic economy air filter. It'll do just fine. So just open this up. We'll put it back in, just like that. And then what you want to do first is you got to get these little tabs back in their little homes. So you're going to kind of wiggle this and push it back so they're into their little spots. And then once those are in, you should be able to go up to the front and then put those clips on. Now, if these clips are giving you a real hard time, you might not have something lined up right, so double check. Yeah, get your clips back on. It shouldn't be too hard to get back on. Sometimes with aftermarket filters, the fit can be a little rough. So, you know. But anyways, now let's move to the cabin filter. This is a messy car. This customer needs to clean their car. Let's pop the hood. Here is this little plunger that needs to come off. All you do is you just slide your finger in here and pop this plunger off like that and get it out the way, off that little peg. And then inside the cabin filter, or I mean in the glove box, my bad, you want to twist this. There's one on each side. You want to twist it to unlock it and pull it out. Just like that on each side. And then we're going to lower this and all the stuff falls out. And then here's our door for our cabin filter. On the sides, there are these little things that you pinch and then you pull the door off. These are kind of like little locks or tabs. You just squeeze them. It'll probably come off. This has a hole in it. That's because there's some kind of damage. Now here's the cabin filter. You want to grab this, pull it out. If you have any leaves or anything on here, try not to let them drop into the blower motor. This one, if you want to take a closer look, there's a mice poop in there. Got a ratatouille dropping loads. Also, it's probably what that hole's from. It's probably made his little pathway. Anyways, I got a micro guard cabin filter. Here's the number 3703. This has an airflow arrow on it. All you gotta do is make sure that points down on this car. So when you put this in, just have that arrow be pointing down, and then slide this in here. All right. Then we'll go and close this. Hopefully you don't have rats or mice pooping and you breathing it all in when the air's on. That's terrible. Anyways, got that on. That should just push straight on. And then you could just push this up. We'll get our little, I don't know what these are, like lock knobs. That's what I'm going to name them. And you just kind of put them in, wiggle them, and turn them until they go into their spot they're supposed to go into. Like right here and right here. All right, now once those are good, you want to push up your glove box, and then we will just push this plunger back on. You can just push it on, and then that's it. Make sure yours opens and closes normally. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Clean your car.